Subscribe Mr. Avinash YouTube channel and press the bell icon for regular updates on travel, lifestyle and tutorial videos coming every week.
Yo guys, thought to go out but it's raining like crazy. Let's see how long it takes. And then we'll head towards the Mirissa beach. Not yet dark. Hopefully it will be 2 hours before sunset after the rain. So let's see. 1 hour and still raining. Holy shit. Check that out, there is a river now flowing just in front of my room. Oh damn. It's been 1 hour now. Hopefully I won't be able to make it to the beach before the sunset. I don't know, but yeah, so to head towards Friday to take my scuba lesson for tomorrow, like my first driving lesson. I don't know what to do. And yeah, maybe we'll head towards the beach at night to eat some seafood and stuff. But it's too cool. Come on guys, this beach. And yeah, there are still drizzles, but I'm heading towards the Mirissa beach. So let's find out if we get wet before reaching the beach or not. Woo! Heading towards the beach. Check out the sky, it's totally yellow out there. Finally guys, we have reached the Mirissa beach. Check out the sky out there. Whoa, this is pretty awesome. And yeah, we made it before sunset, and as you can see there are many food joints out there. I'm heading over to that rock. So we have made it to the beach, but let's see if we can reach the rock before the sunset. I hope we'll get some awesome pictures from there as I saw around. But yeah, it's quite beautiful out here with the yellow sky. Woo. Woo. 10 minutes for the sun to set, we are almost there, and I can see some stairs to head up on the rock. So yeah, let's go. Guys, check this out. There is a gap, like properly there is a gap. You can see the water coming till the end, but we don't meet. So yeah, we'll find a way through. Hopefully when the water is low. Whoa. In the middle of it, just waiting for the next round to run to reach towards the rock. Woohoo! Check this out. 1, 2, 2 for 2. So let's run. Let's run. Almost there. Woo. And we have reached the end. We'll later check it out. We'll see later if we can or cannot go back, but yeah. And yeah guys, we made it to the rock, and now I am heading. Check this out. This is quite risky. Woo. Can we go? Should we go? This is slippery. Nope, we're not going up. And yeah, it's quite dark out here. Plus you can't go up because it's slippery and muddy. The half of the path. So we'll head back. Probably eat something down here. Let's see. what happens. Yeah, guys, having my dinner with Mirissa. Just searching where should we go next. Maybe it will be market, but let's see. And yeah, guys, that was the day at Mirissa. Like came from Ella to Mirissa and then tried to visit the Mirissa beach, but we were not able to catch the sunset and also cover the beach when there was light. And yeah, probably I'll be heading towards the Hikadua beach tomorrow morning if I wake up at 5:30, because I have like contacted the international diving school to like give me a beginner's course for diving, which they told me I'll discuss the details about the dive tomorrow. So yeah, that's my plan for tomorrow, because I'll be heading towards Gale Beach after here Mirissa, and then from there to Hikarua, and later come back to Gale Beach to see the sunset, hopefully if there's no rain and we can catch the train or bus on time. So yeah, that was the day. Hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.